put my head down, worked throughout all the nationals, put my head down, and after I think 2 rounds, the third round I was leading the points lead, and from there just carried on checking out with my points. So came into this round with a 33-point lead and leaving this round as South Africa National 1-5 champion.
Crash and P set me back a little bit. I've been struggling to get back to where I was. But yeah, I managed to finish off the season in 3rd overall. The day was good, track was awesome. And yeah, just well done to all my teammates. These guys rode absolutely well this year.
What a year it's been. Yeah, I'm so happy to wrap up the championship after last year. You know, it was 3 points, I think, separated us, and yeah, I lost it. So this was really good. I was so stoked. Yeah, I couldn't thank the team more for what they've done for me this year. Yeah, everything this year's just gone so perfect.
Came down to the last moto, so I'm sad about that, but it's racing, but happy to win another championship for KTM, 3 MX1 championships in a row, and yeah, I want to thank the whole entire team. Fought as hard as I could in the 250 title, been opening the gap, closing the gap, had a bit of a bad luck in the middle of the year with a broken collarbone, but managed to push through and come into today with 7 points. Really glad to wrap up the 250 title this year. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. MX1 as well.